three facts are your golden opportunity to get into project management in 2025. Non-traditional PMs are taking the lead. By 2026, 65 of strategic projects will be led by non-traditional PMs. They are outperforming traditional PMs by 40% in stakeholder satisfaction. This is according to the PMI's 2024 Global Project Management Survey. Strategic thinking drives success. Companies are losing 50% less in failed projects. They prioritize PMs who think like business strategists and not just task masters and managers, according to Gartner. And then, according to a McKinsey report, AI enhanced project leadership is in now. AI will automate 70% of routine PM tasks by 2026. Does this mean that project management is out of the door? No, it just means they now need PMs who understand AI. Demand for AI enhanced project leadership is surging by 35%. These trends create an unprecedented opportunity for career changers. Your diverse backgrounds and fresh perspectives are now valuable assets in project management. Now, right, the next thing I'm going to do for you to be able to get a hold of these opportunities and take full advantage of this golden opportunity, we would like to introduce to you our Prime Academy. You would have landed on this page because you have seen one of our memberships, you have seen one of our Instagram posts, or you have watched one of our masterclasses or taster sessions before. So this gives you a summary of what our program is about, aside from the masterclass and the taster sessions that you may have already had a chance to experience. So the Prime Project Management Academy consists of 4 main levels. In the first level, we focus completely on helping you get prepared for a project management career. We tell you the basics for career readiness. We help you to test if you're ready for a project management career. This level is for those people that are not yet sure. We show you what to do to make sure you are clear that you want to be in project management. And it's also for people that know they want to do project management, have experience in project management, and just need help in getting for interview prep and understanding how to work in workplace scenarios in the project environment. So it's focused on interview preparation, understanding workplace scenarios, and knowing how to deal with those challenges that will inevitably come your way. Okay. Then for those of you that then move from the level 1, or you realize from your level 1 that actually you're not quite ready for your interviews, or you move from your level 1 and you decide, yes, project management is for me and I want to learn more. We have level 2, where we talk about real world implementation, and that happens in our project management mastery camps. Here we talk about practical tool training. We have live projects. We have document creation. We teach you what a day-to-day life would look like as a project management manager and how to do it. We do not do theory here. We are focused on making sure you have hands-on experience in terms of how to work as a project management professional. There'll be more about that in the next few slides. Then from level 2, you can move on to level 3, where we now talk about impact and integration, advanced implementations, crisis management in a project, and leadership practice. Okay, and then we have the mastery and multiple streams. In here, we talk about strategic leadership. This is when you're moving up the ladder and you have you're no longer getting your hands dirty and doing the work. You are now leading your teams in a more strategic way. We're talking about consulting practice, how to run a consulting practice, how to be a consultant and thrive at it. And of course, how to diversify your income, because we do not believe in just having one stream of income around here. Now, in all the levels, we try to make sure that you have an entrepreneurship mindset to help you to for your career growth, for your business development, and your professional advancement. Because the truth is, you are the CEO of your career. You have to treat your career as the business that it is. It is your business. You are the CEO. You are the one that's going to make things happen. All right. So this particular video is focused specifically on level 2. But before we go there, why would you even want to be here and listen to many further? Let's talk about YCT. Who is YCT and what are we? YCT is short for Your Career Today. And what we do here is we help professionals switch careers in our specialties. We have combined experience of over 35 years in project management, product management, technology transformation, and business transformation collectively amongst all the trainers. We have trained hundreds of students and helped them secure high-paying jobs and contracts. Who am I that I'm speaking to you right now? My name is Olama Kokote. I'm a working mom, a program manager, certified PMP professional. I have over 12 years project management experience and 20 years in the corporate roles, including project management, product management as well. A career change coach with 7 years experience, passionate about getting more people with non-technical backgrounds into project management careers, leveraging skills and experiences that they already have. I hold a master's in real estate development and an MBA as well. So we know what we're talking about when we talk to you. All right, so level 2, what are we talking about in this success path? This is a practical project management mastery. This is a hands-on course. This provides comprehensive training for professionals transitioning into project management roles. It covers essential skills from planning to execution. It includes career services to help students secure their first project management role. What are we going to be talking about? We're going to go right into it. You have the initiation phase as all projects have. You will learn about understanding what's in a business case. How do you interpret what you see? Why is it important? You're going to learn how to master creating a project charter. You cannot be in project management and not understand what a project charter is. You also learn how to kick off your project, discover how to plan it, run effective kickoff meetings, and all the artifacts that you need to have to make that meeting successful. We're also going to take you through the planning phase where you learn what a work breakdown structure is. You're going to learn about time and cost scheduling. Your budgets are really, really critical in project management. You'll also understand how to do requirement gathering, because while the project manager's role is not to gather requirements, sometimes you might find yourself doing that because project management is going hybrid in many ways now as well. Then we move on to the execution and control. We're going to teach you how to run your meetings to make sure that you remain delivery focused, outcome focused at all times, lead effective meetings and follow up on action items. You're going to learn how to monitor your progress, how to use your RAID log, how to track your dependencies, how to keep your budget on tight, how to also keep your plan and keep everyone on track to delivery, how to manage escalations, what are the controls that you need to have in place to make sure that you are not losing money, your project does not become a sinking ship. And then, of course, we're then going into what project closure, the closure reports, and lessons learned. It's not just that. We are then take you into mastering the project manager role. We're going to talk about how to manage conflicts when you get on your job, how to resolve conflicts among team members and stakeholders. This will help you when you get your role, but also it will help you when you do interviews. So we take our time to show you how to manage conflicts. We'll talk to you about how to manage stakeholders in your organization, in your projects, because stakeholders are critical to help you get the job done. Remember, you are leading a team that you have no direct control over most of the time. So we're going to show you how to do that effectively. And then you may end up finding yourself, most of you, 50 to 70% of you will find yourselves leading remote teams. How do you lead remote teams? How do you manage mixed matrix teams effectively? We're going to show you that as well. This is an all-round course. Then it's not just that, we're also going to show you and teach you how to understand agile methodologies, hybrid, and waterfall approaches to project management. Our projects are done in a hybrid fashion. So you will learn about the agile process and the waterfall process as well. We do also do software development lifecycle. You learn the stages of software development and then management. And then, yes, you guessed it, we have to talk about AI in project management because that is the future. We have to embrace it and know how to use it to our advantage. So we're going to explore AI. So we're going to explore how to how AI is transforming project management practices and how you can get in there and take advantage of it now. Then we're going to also go through career and CV workshops, how to refine your CV. You do mock interviews um, to practice common project management questions and the ones that are not so common. And then we're going to show you networking tips and job searching tips as well because all of this effort is to get you a role. You need to get a role, right? So when we come into our programs, we have three goals for you. The minimum goal is that you actually do the work. That's the very minimum. You have to come into class, you do the work, we mark your work, we give you feedback, instant feedback, so you know if you're on the right track immediately. The target goal for you is you develop and present, and you can get confident to completely manage a project plan and a project. You at the minimum, you have to know how to manage your project plan and know how to pull all the artifacts together. And at the stretch, based on the experiences you get, we expect you to secure your first project management role. So that's what is in this program in a nutshell. Now, so there will be some questions you may ask, like, will you get a reference? You will get a reference for the project that you work on. If you work on one of our live projects, yes, we will give you a reference for the work that you do, not for sitting around and not participating. For the work that you do, yes, we will be able to give you a reference for that. Okay. So if you're interested in this in our program, just send us a text message, send us a DM, where however you've gotten to watch this, send us a DM and we will give you more detail on how to get started. We'll see you soon.